Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this hibiscus paint by line. I'm going to go in first with the color Flamingo, and I'm going to just kind of base coat that around the center of my flower. So I'm not making any like stark lines, I'm just kind of getting paint on that area. And then I'm going to go in with the color Florida Orange and do my mid area. And then I'm going to go in with Barn Red and do towards the end of my petals. And again, I'm just kind of getting paint onto my cutout. I'm not worrying about blending yet. And once I've got the paint down on my cutout, I'm going to go in and just wipe the majority of the paint off my brush and begin to blend those colors together. And then next I'm going to go in with Colonel Mustard, and I'm going to paint the center of my flower. And then I'm going to go in with the number 4 round and some black paint, and I'm going to begin to outline everything. So I'm just going in and doing a loose outline, hitting everything here and there, and I'm following the lines that are etched into the cutout for me. So I'm not having to worry about figuring out where my lines are or freehanding any of this. And then once I'm done with my black, I'm just going to wipe that brush off and go in with the color Cotton, which is Dixie Belle's Whitest White. And I'm going to highlight everything a little bit. And then that will complete my project. Everything shown here, the cutout, the paint, the brushes, can all be purchased on buildacross.com. And I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a wonderful day.